Arrive in style with this Audi 2013 Q5 Premium Plus. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, convenience package, lighting package, Premium Plus package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Audi music interface with iPod integration, CD player and radio data system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.